Well, we got the trailer on, going for a little Sunday morning rescue mission. All loaded up in bits. It's in bits, pieces. Okay, here's our treasure for the weekend. The wood came free. Be a pre-war in the 40s, 42 or 43, I'm not sure. International pickup. Pre-disassembled, no frame. Cab and the front grille are the main things that I'm after. To do some repair work, that's okay. Probably gonna lose these fenders off here. Just use the grill, make a rat rod. Did come with the box. The box is, hey, you mind? Do you mind? The box is junk. I mean, the whole thing's junk. The box is more junk. It'll probably end up being just scrapped. I have a box, step side box with no fenders off an old Ford. I'll probably use that instead. Maybe. Most likely. This one could, I mean, a person could fix it, I guess. But depends how rat rod you want to make the rat rod, I guess. Doors open. Remnants of the seat. No floor, that's okay. A few dents in the roof, can be fixed. Look at that. See what I see? That's a key. That's a key. Beautiful material. Yeah. Has all the glass in it. Question is, do we chop it? Do we chop it and section it? Or do we leave it? I need a frame. I have that frame off that Chevy pickup. That could be a possible donor, but it would have to be lowered. Whatever we're building with it, it's going to be lowered. Be dragging its ass down the highway. There it is. Our Sunday adventure. Oh, look at that. Free spark plugs. There's the back window there. What's that for? Oh, it's probably a vent. It's probably for a vent in the front, under the snow. Look at the Ford box. There's the Ford box. It's got a floor in it. Better condition. Still doesn't have a tailgate. I think that's a better option than the other box that's there. Oh, the height might be an issue, so we might have to chop it down. If we chop the other one, we'll have to chop this one. Let's see if we can get in this thing. Well, I'm not that skinny. Dang. Fit today. Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah, there we go. Look at that, the floor's here. Fuck, I look good in this thing. Past me sat in the truck cab there and rambled on about nonsense for quite a while, so editor me is going to take over and narrate the rest of the video for us here. So I went on the old Google box and I found a bunch of examples of kind of what I envision for this build here. Definitely want to do a little bit of a chop. Maybe it's 2 inches, maybe it's 3. I haven't quite decided. I can leave the back window small, the same size. I just have to cut down underneath it, but there's room there. Also have the exposed tires, no fenders, probably no hood because I don't have one. I'm still kicking around ideas in my mind about how I'm going to work the box. Feel free to leave a comment about what you would do with this truck, or how you would build your own rod truck. Ooh, look at that one. I showed the beautiful one all these photos and told her she could take the truck to work. She was not too impressed and declined. Guess it's not everybody's forte. Look at him, still rambling on and on. Hasn't stopped talking since we left. Anyway, please give me a like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel if you want to see me work on this thing. Appreciate you watching. And we'll see you next time.